Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer, and I've got this guy set on heavy, filling up right now, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. Now the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection, everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale. And then I run this test video here through a load so that as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. That's kind of how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. You'll know after watching this video, without a shadow of a doubt, that it works perfectly. So, like I said, it's filling up right now. I've just got it set to large, cool. Of course, all these knobs and timer and all that's been checked out. So what I'm going to do is let it go ahead and fill up. I'll come back and show you that it's agitating correctly, drains the water out, and that spin cycle is nice and fast and smooth. Then we'll move on to the dryer. Alright, we moved into the agitation portion. Now you can hear it agitating. If we lift this up, you can see it's doing a real good job getting those clothes agitated and everything all sudsy and all that good stuff. Alright, now we'll wait for it to drain and go through the rinse cycle. We'll come back for the draining and the spinning. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's going to kick in and drain that water out. There it goes, and you can hear it draining that water nice and fast. I'm not going to open up the lid and interrupt this draining cycle. Once it stops, then it switches over and starts to spin. So we'll let it complete this, move through the rinse cycle, and we'll come back for the final spin. Alright, we're on the final spin cycle now. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up, show you it's spinning nice and fast. Now when I do, the lid switch is going to kick in, it's going to slow it down and bring it to a stop. That's that safety feature, but that way you'll at least get to see that it's spinning nice and fast, and you can hear it's nice and smooth. There you go. So we'll let that finish up and we'll move on to the dryer. Alright guys, now we've got those clothes moved over to our Whirlpool Cabrio electric dryer. Hop those in here. I've just got it on heavy duty, which is high dry, and before you hit go you can shift these. Already got it running here to warm it up a little bit. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take its surface temperature measurement. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, shoot it right inside the heating element tube here. You see plenty of heat coming off of that guy there. Now the tube, the heating element tube, gets pretty hot right there. But the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you set your heat settings at, which is all of these settings here. Plenty of options, tons of options. So if you've got delicates, that type of thing, this dryer is going to be able to handle it all. I'm going to go ahead and let that finish up. Get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.